Kids Slideshow. We have it. Kids Wonder Slideshow. Either why. If they can't, with the kids Slideshow. I don't want to have the first episode. The cat with the fun. I don't want to trick.
Even if you are a malfunction gene.
You know that mommy, dad, so you can quiet.
Let's get you out of here and take you home.
Don't worry about tricks. Everybody knows that you had Jesus. Given anyway, have to get some.
Gotta have some sort of purpose here. I know.
No.
Sweetie, please.
The kids. What the fuck are you doing?
Gotta go, Gavel. Hey, Lightbulb, tell me what's going on. What? Who? What is it? Tell me, Turd. Tell me true. What happened? I know.
Where are you? Kids. Kids on Slideshow. Wait. No, we're going to here. No, Papas, no, kiss that Papa. Dude, we're gonna happy the character doing his state P single. The kids were out.
Oh, right. Hashtag truth.
Well, the only thing that could ever make me unhappy is if one of our emoji team made a mistake, which caused Alex to lose faith in the song. Oh.
What happened to him?
And then our whole world gets wiped out.
Smiler, I got the Princess Chloe.
But I will never, ever.
We have it in settings.
Oh, we know you won't, dude. We know you won't.
Don't worry, kiss, one lipstick, you with the pie.
We're setting you up with our best antivirus bot.
So they'll like,
You would die. We'll have it.
Actually,
Do you?
not yet.
Even what if the password?
What your purpose is, or future, or
Either one of the pancake.
Because you're deleted, right? Alright, good talk.
No, what? No, kiss the cat, No. Cat! Don't kiss the cat! Oh, Shari, wait a minute. The better one here. Uh-oh. You folks have I've coffee. Sorry, you never get kids. I will buy my kids. Kiss the dog. No, dogs.
Just because I'm in the wrong section?
No, the dog. No, not the kids. Where are not this way? I haven't going anywhere.
Let's go.
Oh boy, the girl happens.
We'll never find us down here. Where are we?
A basement. Nope. Welcome to the user lounge. The kids hive.
Hang out.
Go fish. Fish cake with swirl.
The kids. No, sleep. Don't cry. Sleep. Don't know but to cry.
I've almost got to eat it. Me.
Right. Well.
What's up, high five? We weren't trying to delete you. We were trying to delete me. You? What's so important about you? They'd send out an entire team of bots.
The kids. Well, kids.
Oh, you bringing malfunctions in here now?
To crying up, not too easy. What happened to make a trick when happened?
That had better not be my leftover Chinese food.
What Chinese food?
Dude, what? Kids, right? Yo, but there's a slideshow. Kiss the man. There's a no! It's a man! Oh no! Not wicked.
Well, that's all it'll take you to be
Cool, you kiss the joy. Cool, you just kiss girl. I am the even happen to be poison.
Piracy app.
Nothing. We have him. But kiss the girl.
One of the princess emojis left the phone.
I will.
Oh, that is good.
A post. We do the most.
The name's...
Jailbreak.
That's great.
The kids slideshow. Well, I don't know. Blah.
Help me find a hat.
The kids. No way, I'm gonna dog hive to be.
I'll be a real man.
Where are we going? I don't kids. The kids. You kiss the girl. What? You have to be it.